Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, June 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Busy day ahead?
Yeah, very busy. I have 3 meetings this morning.
Oh, 3 meetings? That's a lot.
Yes, I'm tired already. What about you?
Same here. Lots of calls to make. Sales don't stop, you know.
True, always something to do. Did you see the news today?
Yeah, I did. There's stuff about politics in the US.
Oh, really? What's happening?
Some guy, Antonio Delgado, wants to be governor in New York. He's challenging the current one for 2026.
That's interesting. A big change could happen there.
Yeah. Politics is always a mess. Hope it doesn't mess up our business deals.
True, changes like that can affect a lot. We'll see what happens.
For sure. Hey, did you hear about the economy news?
No, what's going on?
The global growth forecast is down to 2.9%. They're worried about U.S. tariffs.
Oh, that's not good. Tariffs can make projects more expensive.
Exactly. If costs go up, my clients won't be happy.
Yeah, it hits everyone. Technology costs might rise too.
Don't remind me. My computer is already slow.
Maybe it's time for a new one. But yeah, tariffs are a problem.
Totally. Hey, speaking of tech, anything new in that area?
Not tech. But I saw something about culture. There's a big survey out today.
Oh yeah, what's it about?
It's called What Worries the World. They ask people in 30 countries about global issues.
Cool. What are people worried about?
Things like money, jobs, and the future. It's a big picture of how people feel.
I get that. I worry about my sales targets every month.
I know, right? But it's nice to see what others think.
Yeah, makes you feel less alone. Hey, maybe we should do a survey here.
A survey in the office? About what?
Like who makes the best coffee? I'd win, for sure.
No way, David. My coffee is better?
Oh, we'll see about that. I'll bring my special mix next time.
Deal. Let's see who wins the coffee prize.
You're on. Hey, back to that politics thing. Do you think it'll change much?
Hard to say. A new governor could mean new rules for business.
Yeah, and more paperwork for me. I hate that stuff.
I know paperwork is the worst, but we'll manage.
Always do. Hey, about those tariffs? You think they'll hit us soon?
Maybe. If costs go up, projects might slow down.
Slow projects mean less sales for me? Not cool.
Yeah, it's a chain reaction. We just need to plan ahead.
True. Planning is your thing. I just talk to people.
And you're good at it. Keep those clients happy.
I try. Hey, that survey, where did they do it?
In 30 countries all over. It's a huge study.
Wow, 30 countries. That's a lot of opinions.
Yes, it shows how connected we are. Everyone has worries.
Yeah, like me worrying about my next coffee. This one's almost gone.
Mine too. Time for a refill soon.
For sure? Hey, politics again, you think we should care more?
Maybe a little. It can change how we work.
I guess. I just focus on my sales numbers.
And I focus on my project deadlines. We balance each other.
Good team, right? Hey, tariffs, you got any ideas to save money?
Not really. Just keep an eye on costs for now.
Yeah, I'll tell my clients to order fast, before prices jump.
Good idea. Quick action can help.
Always quick, that's me. Hey, that survey, any surprises?
Not sure, but money worries are always top. People want stability.
Don't we all? I just want a stable paycheck.
Same here. Stability is everything.
Totally. Hey, you got time for another coffee?
Not now. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. Maybe later?
Sure. Catch you later then. Don't work too hard.
I'll try. See you later, David.
See you, Alex. Have a good one.
You too. Take it easy with those calls.
I'll try. Later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.